I just had some workout clothes that I did not need to be wearing in the gym in 2019. Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Adaku. So I'm going to be doing a try on haul for you guys today, and I'll show you guys all the items that I purchased from GYMSHARK. I only bought like 3 matching sets, so if you guys are interested in this video, stay tuned. So the first item that I purchased from GYMSHARK was this Vital Seamless sports bra in the shade Pink Marl, and I got the matching leggings that go with it. So there is a GYMSHARK logo on the back, another GYMSHARK logo on the front, although the packaging did say something odd like raspberry. We'll discuss that, GYMSHARK, but other than that, it's a really cute color. So it has some detailing, some darker pink detailing. It has pads. It comes with some white or cream colored pads. So the matching leggings come with a GYMSHARK logo at the top, a very high waistband. We do love a good waistband to snatch us up, you already know. And it also has a GYMSHARK logo on the bottom of the leggings. There's some detailing on the legs. Ta-da! There is no annoying tag in the back. You are safe. The tag and all the wash instructions is on the bottom of your leggings. We're happy about that. Yeah, so the material is very, is there a piece of hair in my mouth? So yeah, we love that for us. So I got the leggings in a size medium, and I got the sports bra in a size small. It fits fine. I really like the fit. It's very comfy, very stretchy. Fits to your body, not too loose, not too tight. Yeah, this Vital Seamless material is bomb. So I did get another Vital Seamless set in the shade blue, not teal or whatever other color they have, but in the shade blue. The leggings have a GYMSHARK logo at the very top, another high-waisted band, it's like super thick, and then another GYMSHARK logo here at the bottom. So yeah, I'm really liking this blue color on me. It's so nice. This is also very stretchy. It has some tiny contouring details. And along with these leggings, I did also get the sports bra. So of course the sports bra, this one has some padding, and then there's a GYMSHARK logo here in the back, another GYMSHARK logo here in the front. So they do have other shades in the Vital Seamless collection if you guys are interested in that. You guys don't have to get these shades, but yeah, they have a ton of colors. Along with the Vital Seamless collection, I did also purchase items from the Flex collection from GYMSHARK. I got this long sleeve crop top, I got the Flex sports bra, and the Flex cycle shorts, all in the shade pink and white. So I have on the pink and white sports bra in the Flex collection on right now. I like how it fits. So with the Flex sports bra, there is a GYMSHARK logo on the back. So if you're not into wearing just a sports bra with your leggings or your shorts, you can throw on a long sleeve crop top from GYMSHARK. They have it in multiple collections and multiple shades, so it's great for the wintertime workout. The crop top has a GYMSHARK logo in the front and a GYMSHARK logo in the back that's really big. So there's cutouts for your thumbs. I just love a good cutout for my thumbs. So with the Flex cycle shorts, they do have a GYMSHARK logo in the back, very big. It's super cute. I really like this GYMSHARK logo, like big and bold in the back like that. I think it's cute. So there's also a GYMSHARK logo here on the side of the cycle shorts up top. And yeah, those are the only 2 logos on the shorts. With the cycle shorts, there is a high waistband as well. It's super high waisted. This whole Flex collection from GYMSHARK, you can wear this out like on a casual day. You don't need to just wear this in the gym. You guys, I was waiting so long for these shorts. I really wanted this set. So this whole entire set I saw online, and your girl had to have it. But tell me why the cycle shorts were out of stock. So what I did was DM GYMSHARK like, hey, when are you guys bringing back the cycle shorts? They're too cute. Because they didn't have them in the shade pink white. They had gray, black, some green color. They had those colors, but they did not have the pink and white ones that I so wanted ever so badly. They got back to me and they said, hey girl, we got you. They're coming back in a month or two. A month or two! Luckily, I was able to purchase these cycle shorts in the shade that I wanted after I was waiting at least a month. But I'm not mad because I have them now. And shout out to GYMSHARK for responding to my DM so fast. Like, they got back to me within 3 hours. So all the leggings that I bought from GYMSHARK are in a size medium. The Blue Vital Seamless sports bra is in a size medium, as well as this long sleeve crop top from the Flex collection. The Flex collection sports bra and the Vital Seamless pink sports bra are both in a size small. I really like both of them. They fit well. All of my leggings, they do go all the way down to my ankles. They are true to size. Everything is true to size realistically with GYMSHARK, so I'm really happy about that. So as far as squatting goes, they are squat proof. As for a sweat test, you're gonna sweat in the gym. You're gonna sweat through your gym clothes. You are working out, so yeah, those are the items that I got from GYMSHARK. I hope you guys enjoyed this try on haul. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.